Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to insert YouTube video into Canva. So right now it's actually working on this presentation, and let's say I wanted to add a YouTube video right here, okay? Or anywhere in this slides. So you just come here and click on apps here at the bottom on the left hand panel, click on apps. And I need you to search for YouTube as the Canva app. Okay, there's a bunch of Canva apps they have available. I want you to search up YouTube right here and go ahead and press enter to search for it. And all you need to do, guys, is select this one. So this is YouTube. And we're able to search for videos from YouTube. Or we can also do, guys, is also have a home page. You can go ahead and pick up videos from, okay? All right, so we have some videos loading up. What I will do, let's say NCS. Let's get some non-copyright music just as an example. So here I've searched NCS and I get a bunch of search results. You can search up anything, honestly. And let's say we want this one, Heroes Tonight, right? So just click on that and it's added. I can resize it, right? Maybe you want it to be in a little corner here. And if someone wants to watch this, all they have to do is double tap here to interact with it. Okay. Let me just do it as an example. Here's some music. There we go. So I just double pressed here. Now I can interact. Okay, so it's playing. Let me reduce the sound a little bit. So the video is currently loading up. And there you go, guys. It's really that easy